The Apple Watch Series 10 is a powerful and fantastic device, but with the right accessories, it can be even better. My name is Prakhar, you're watching Wearholic, and here are the best accessories to pair up with your Apple Watch that can elevate your user experience. If you're someone who loves outdoor adventures or just wants an extra protection for your Apple Watch, a rugged case is a must-have. It shields your watch from accidental drops, scratches, and even water splashes. Look for one that is shockproof and made of high-quality materials to ensure your Apple Watch stays safe in any situation. The one I have comes with raised edges and precise cutouts for the speaker grill and the crown button. It provides ample protection to the watch without feeling too bulky. With the new shiny finish, the Apple Watch Series 10 is prone to fingerprints and smudges. This protective case also helps mitigate that while keeping the watch looking pristine and protected. It's important to keep your watch well protected, but what's even more important is keeping it powered up. I have ended up in situations where my Apple Watch is running out of battery and I don't have the charging cable with me. And it's not like you can use any wireless charger to charge it. You need the specific Apple Watch magnetic charger. But carrying the long-ass charging cable everywhere is not an option. It never was and never will be. The solution is this portable charger for your Apple Watch that has both a Type-C and a Type-A USB port to power it. It is universally compatible across all Apple Watches. It has a built-in magnetic module for fast and secure charging, and it is very sleek and portable. It's the perfect on-the-go charging solution for your Apple Watch Series 10. The display of the Apple Watch is one of its most crucial and delicate parts, and even a small scratch can ruin the experience. While the Apple Watch Series 10 features ION-X glass or sapphire crystal protection depending on the model, an extra layer of protection never hurts. A tempered glass or film screen protector helps keep your watch safe from scratches, fingerprints, and accidental damages without affecting the touch sensitivity. These protectors often come in multiple packs so you can easily swap them out if one gets too scratched over time. Now, the silicone band that comes with the Apple Watch is good, but I personally prefer these adjustable soft nylon straps. These are way more comfortable and easy to wear than the original straps. You can buy multiple watch straps from Amazon. You can go for colorful ones or get a subtle one like this army green strap. You can also get a leather band for a formal look, a velcro strap, a stainless steel strap for elegance, or a sports strap for the gym. There are plenty of options available. Swappable straps not only enhance the aesthetic but also provides added comfort for different occasions. If you own multiple Apple devices, a 3-in-1 wireless charging hub is a must-have. Instead of dealing with a cluttered mess of cables and separate chargers, a well-designed charging hub can power your Apple Watch, iPhone, and AirPods simultaneously. Some even feature MagSafe support for faster iPhone charging and a dedicated slot to ensure your Apple Watch aligns perfectly for efficient charging. Plus, with a compact and sleek design, it keeps your desk or nightstand looking clean and organized while ensuring all your devices stay powered up without the hassle of multiple adapters. This small upgrade can make a huge difference in daily convenience, especially if you're deep into the Apple ecosystem. These accessories not only enhance the Apple Watch Series 10, but also makes it more durable, convenient, and stylish. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wearholic for more tech tips, reviews, and comparisons. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.